In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add AdBlock in Google Chrome. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance your browsing experience by blocking unwanted ads. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open Google Chrome on your computer. This is the browser where we'll be installing the AdBlock extension. Once Chrome is up and running, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the window. You'll want to type in the following address: chrome.google.com/webstore. Once you've done that, simply press Enter. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store, which is a treasure trove of extensions designed to enhance your browser. Now that we're in the Chrome Web Store, it's time to find the AdBlock extension. Locate the search bar at the top left corner of the page. Click in the search bar and type AdBlock. After entering the text, press Enter one more time to initiate the search. The store will then display a list of results related to AdBlock. Out of the options presented to you, we want you to focus on the one labeled AdBlock, Best Ad Blocker, and this one is provided by getadblock.com. It's important to select the right one to ensure you're using the most reliable ad blocker available. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open a page with more details about the extension, including its features, user reviews, and more. Next up, you'll see a blue button that says Add to Chrome. This button is typically located on the right side of the page, near the top. Go ahead and click on that button. By doing this, you're initiating the installation process of the AdBlock extension. A pop-up window will now appear, asking you to confirm that you want to add the extension to Chrome. It's a standard procedure to ensure you really want to proceed with installing the extension. In this window, you'll see another button labeled Add Extension. Click on that button to confirm your choice. The installation process will only take a few moments, and once it's complete, you'll notice that a new icon has appeared in your Chrome toolbar. This new icon is the AdBlock logo. This little guy is your new best friend when it comes to surfing the web without those pesky ads. And that's it. You've successfully added AdBlock to Google Chrome. From now on, as you browse, AdBlock will be working silently in the background to block unwanted ads, making your online experience cleaner and more enjoyable. Enjoy your ad-free browsing, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.